How can I track the status of a bank transfer between accounts?
Hello, today we're going to explore how you can track the status of a bank transfer between accounts. This will help you ensure that your money has safely and correctly been transferred to the desired account.
What do you need to track your bank transfer?
To track a bank transfer, you'll need a few key pieces of information: the confirmation number or reference number of the bank transfer. This is typically provided to you at the time the transfer is initiated. Access to your bank account. This could be online, via a mobile app, or in person at a branch.
Checking online or through mobile banking app.
Most banks offer online banking or mobile banking apps, and these platforms usually provide the easiest way to track a transfer. 1. Log into your account using either the bank's website or the mobile app. 2. Navigate to the Transfers or Transactions section. 3. Here, you should be able to see a list of all recent transfers. Look for your transfer using the date, amount, or confirmation number. 4. The status of the transfer should be clearly indicated, typically as pending, completed, or failed.
Checking in person or over the phone.
If you're not comfortable with digital banking or if your bank doesn't provide these services, you can also track your transfer in person or over the phone. To track the transfer in person, visit your bank's local branch and ask a teller or customer service representative to help you. To track the transfer over the phone, call your bank's customer service number and ask about the status of your transfer. Be prepared to provide your confirmation number or other details about the transfer.
What if the transfer is not successful?
If the transfer is not successful or is taking longer than expected, don't panic. There could be various reasons for this. The transfer could be delayed due to bank processing times. There could have been an error in the information you provided for the transfer. The transfer could be undergoing additional security checks. In such cases, contact your bank for assistance. They will guide you through the next steps and help resolve any issues. Tracking the status of a bank transfer is quite straightforward, whether you prefer digital banking or traditional methods. And remember, if you run into any issues or delays, your bank's customer service is there to help. We hope this video has made tracking your bank transfers a little bit easier. Happy banking!